Hey guys, it's me, and I'm back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Bellatrix Lestrange from Harry Potter, and I'm curling my hair right now, and hairspray in it, so you just curl it and spray hairspray on it. And yes, I drew on the dark mark before I did my hair. So clip your hair to your head when you're done curling it on that side to have the curl last longer. And yeah, curl close to the scalp because she has like tight curls. And once you're done with the curling part, you take your hair down and start teasing your hair, which is backward combing. And you basically just keep on doing that with your hair. And I put my bang part out of my way. So take down your bang part and curl your bang. Well, not yet anyways. She does her hair up weird. So I want you, you can section up your hair in the back and bobby pinned it down to your head to get it to look like hers. And I took some hair on the sides and did the same thing after curling my bang part. And took some and teased it again. And I'm done with the hairstyle, guys. And now we're moving on to the makeup look. And I showed my dark mark again and my wand that I got from Ollivander's in May. And she has very pale skin. So I'm doing my normal, makeup foundation routine that I normally do anyways, kind of already pale. Now I'm looking at reference from my computer and I'm taking my dark contour shade and I'm going to be using that in the crease of my cheeks to make it look like my pale my face is slimmer. Plus she looks very, like because she has like really skinny, face, from being in Azkaban. So yeah. And I'm contouring my nose with the same dark shade of contour. I had to blend it out with my fingers because the brush wasn't working for me. Okay, next I'm going to be taking some blush and put on my cheeks, and looking back at the picture that I was looking at, and I'm starting to do, so use a black eyeliner pencil and line your eyes. And then grab your tiny little brush and basically take a black shade and blend it out, smudge it out and stuff to make your eyes look like hers. Okay, so add a light brown on all your eye, and then add a darker brown in the corner, and then take a black and add it to the corner edge of your outer part of your eye, and blend that in. And then add a light brown to the corner next to your nose, and then add some black under your eye, and then take it and just start blending out your makeup look. I tried to do a wing on there, but I messed up, so I just put more foundation on the eye. And I looked at the picture to see if she had a wing like the ones I do, but she didn't, so I just added a little tiny wing with my eyeliner pencil and blended it out because I thought I need more blending. And then I skipped ahead and did the other eye, and now I'm using a light brown on the inside to make my eyes look baggy on the bottom part of my eye. I started to, blend out more on my nose and then my cheekbones. And I'm looking at see if she has any color on her lips, and she does, so I'm gonna do that. But I don't have the same color she is using, so I used my red that I had anyways, and then added some black into the corners of my lips and then I decided just to do it all over my lips, and it got to the shade that I wanted to be at. So I'm doing that now with my eyeshadows, since I don't have, anything else to make my lips that color. Now I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones and my nose. And I'm looking if I got everything right. And then I remembered that I needed to do her Azkaban tattoo on her neck. And so I'm doing that right now. And it's a 3 and 9 and some weird symbols. So I got that done, and I hope you like it, guys. Bye!